Hello everybody, my name is Almighty Ambrose, and today, you can already guess what I'm going to do. A new update came out, and it's finally, for Slime Rancher it's finally reached version 4.0.4.0. Now there's slime science, and I can't wait to check it out. I've been holding it back for a while. I really wanted to just go into it, but, you know, first impressions and all. Here we are, I preloaded it. Wow, I didn't have to wait 12 minutes to get it started. Isn't that amazing? Well, let's just jump right into it. Mochi Miles claimed she once caught a gold slime. I'm sure you did, Mochi. I'm sure you did. That'd be funny if that Mochi was the same Mochi from Lonely Wolf Tree. Hold on while I mini dive for... Fuck. Okay, I'm ready. Thought I froze it for a second. I'm ready to see what it looks like. Oh boy, it already looks amazing. Now, as you can see in the bottom or left corner, wow, that's lag. That's lag. Are we good? It's lag? Not really. Kind of. I feel slower. These are my slimes that I've been keeping captive for so long. This lag. Am I supposed to be this slow? I guess it's because I have so many slimes in my area. Look at that. And then look at this. Oh wow. That's like an entire teleporter. Jesus Christ. So how does this slime science work? I have no clue. You can... Your guess is as good as mine. I already have all the upgrades for these, so you know. Whatever. I'm not sure where to go. Ooh, maybe it's in that cave, in that blocked off part. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Wow, my computer cannot handle this. Okay, that's slightly better. Yeah, it is open. I knew it. I'm a genius. Can't wait. What? Force field? What is this nonsense? How do I get rid of this force field? What? What? How dare you? I'm gonna throw slime at you. One of you. Come here. How do I want to get in. What kind of baloney is this? Open. 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 This is not working. No, you already ate. Go away. You're being mean. Oh, damn it. There's something I should probably take care of that. Hi, friend. Would you like food that I don't have? I'm just gonna take you. Come here. And I know you're gonna bite me a few times, but that's okay. I understand your troubles. And ow, and no, just ow, frick, I'm gonna die. That's seriously irritating. I can't. Oh, don't mind that. Just don't even. Why? Well, that was fun. Well, time to go somewhere else. Everything is slow and laggy, 'cause my computer is shit. Don't know exactly what I'm doing, so... Oh, your thing's too loud. Go away. Did you hear me? Done, man. Anyway. Ow. I'm not sure where the heck I'm supposed to do. I don't know where the heck I'm supposed to do. Whoa, what's that? Treasure pad is locked. What? I need a lock to open this? What kind of malarkey is this? Now I need locks, keys to unlock stuff now? What the hey hawk? What am I supposed to do then? Tell me, please. Give me some sort of clue. I probably should have read the update instead of jumping right into it. Hey, you got a new sound effect. Why did I bring these honey slimes? There's like no fruit for these guys here. Like, at all. Anyways, since I'm here, I might as well go to the cool lava cave. Or at least fiery looking cave. Because it's cool. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Another one? How do you open these? Alright, guys. Here, just take these. I'm not ashamed. Up. Something's terrible happened. This is my time to go, so bye. Dum 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 dee dum. Look at this nice watery water. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing. Well, I know where I'm not going. Let's just hop right on out of here. Okay, this looks pretty bad. Okay, it's time to go. I hate it when you get stuck on stupid things. Please don't stab me with your face. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Where am I supposed to be? What am I supposed to do? There's a bunch of these treasure pods. I almost fell. Dum 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 dum. Hey, this looks new. Yeah. What? It's part C. Why is it part C? Was there a B and or an A? Is something added over here? Or is it still under construction? Oh no, something's actually... Nope, wait. I don't know. Probably not. Nope, yeah, it's still empty. What is that, Mossy? Oh, I didn't know you could see it from here. That's pretty legit. Probably can't make it to there. Or there. What's up with these islands? I want to go to them. Anyways, back to hometown. Let's see what it looks like inside. Maybe that's where I have to go. Activate. No. Nothing new. No, nothing. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. There's that cave that's blocked off by something. No, some weird pods that say I need keys, but then I'm just like, the fuck are you talking about? Don't know what I'm doing, don't know where I'm going, don't know what I'm supposed to do, Okay, I guess I'll just walk throughout the place until I figure out what's supposed to be. Hey, it's one of those statues that I saw in the other place that one time. Am I supposed to like splash it with water or something? I hit it with chickens. Do I hit you with chickens? Come on. I'm just gonna keep going. Be on my diddly dandy way. Nothing's changed over here. There's another one of those whatchamacallits up there. Thanks for not stabbing me with your body. So this is the same as well. Just gonna take a quick peeksy peeks. Yeah, alright. It's time to leave. It's time to stop. That's a terrible meme. Shush, child. Yeah. I love messing up with the environment. I love how the transportal. I was gonna say transportalers. You know what I'm talking about. I like how cool they look now. Oh, that's just a sign backwards. Oh, so they've added leverage to this now instead of it being a flat plane. That's pretty dope. Walking, looking for things that are new. This place is still pretty cool. I'm probably just gonna end up stopping the video after I go through here, then looking at the update to make sure I'm not missing anything, because heck, I don't know where to go or what to do. Hey, what's that over there? That's just a part of a tree. Can you zoom in on this game? I don't know. This place is still pretty dope. No, those are just rocks. I was gonna say there's another one. Then I was wrong. My friend has money, so we can play games that are not free. I stole the money to buy for this. No, I'm joking. Ask my mom. Because I'm poor. And she's not. I think. I don't know. That's besides the point. The point is, I don't know what to do. Dum-de-dum-dum. Oh boy, let's run past that dude. Oh, busy boy. More dudes to run past. That's not very good. Let's see if I can just slurp up some water real quick. Ugh, this lag is irritating. Where are you? I can't see anything. And then you're right there. I don't know where to go, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, no, I can't save you guys. You're all fucked. I don't know what to do. What the hell? What the Jorge, man? What am I supposed to do? Why does this keep happening? I wish it was slightly more obvious. And also, I wish... Oh, that works. Oh, that's the sound of everything being fucked. It's time to go. I really missed that temple that was here. It would have been cool. But this is kind of irritating. I could probably do that. Oh, whoa, that was not there before. Well, then I know where I'm going now. E to activate. Yes. Let's see. The lab allows you to begin your career. Slime science. Okay, I can't begin your career as an amateur unlicensed slime scientist. You've unlocked the lab, a special ranch expansion that will allow you to create gadgets using slime science. Head on over to the barn and get started. Yeah, that's basically it. It's recommended that only more experienced slimers unlock the barn. As slime science requires a great amount of resources and lots of new bugs to fully master. It's a good thing I have both, well, most of those things. This will be fun. I love how I didn't see this before. What's over here? Oh, this is the entrance from whatchamacallit. Oh, that's why it was blocked off. So I can now go in and out through here and there. That's pretty dope. Oh man, I'm excited, bro. Oh hell, you can even put more stuff here too. Let's see, time to get crafty. This barn has all the equipment you'll need to begin crafting gadgets using slime science. Gadgets include useful utilities to aid in explorers, defense turrets, decorations, and more. Alright. Well, where should I start? I'm gonna see what the heck this thing is. Looks dope. Novice drill. Allows you to drill for buried material. Last cycle 1. How about utilities? Work tech, blah. Let's see. Not enough resources to craft. Oh, well, I'm dumb. Okay, so I need pink plorts, rock plorts, and rad plorts. Alright, no problem. I'll get rid of it. The infirmary. Fabricate gadgets you'll need and require blah 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 blah. Try shooting plort into the infirmary. I don't have a plort. Okay, I'm gonna go get a plort. Hold on. This looks pretty dope. That's pretty dope. This is dope. I need to stop saying dope. I'm gonna get stabbed. I do remember storing a bunch of plorts in a certain particular area. That may seem a bit shocking, even though it's not that shocking. But, hey! So I got all my plorts over there. Come here. Come here. I guess I had so many. I didn't feel like putting them away manually. Even though this is as manual as it gets. Come here. That should be enough. Alright, don't judge me. I wanted to put, I just felt like putting them in a specific area, and that's where I chose them. I already have so many new bucks, it's not like I need. These resources cannot be removed. Shit, I'm pressing the wrong button. Let's see. Oh, I forgot the pink. I'm dumb. I don't have any pink plorts. The builder's shop. The builder's shop allows you to put purchases in purchase blueprints. A blueprint required to build a gadget. You sure use blah blah blah. Let's see. Novice pump. Novice asperger. Pink teleporter. So that's 2 teleporters that can be created in your own quick. Oh, so you can make your own teleporters? Hell, this is so cool! Med station. Hydro turret, a defense cannon that will automatically target tar, blast them with water. Slime ball hoop. Begin a round of slime ball as soon as a single slime passes through. What's your score? And stage 1, allow to let other slimes know who is in the number 1 slime. Okay, that's pretty cool. I want this one. I'm gonna get that one first. And then to the fibrocorder. What? Where do I get these things? you have a blueprint? And it allows you to craft a gadget. Fabricate. You don't have to. Where am I gonna get that? Where do I get any of these? Indigonium. Spiritual steam. Heck, man. In order to place gadgets. Whoa. Gadget mode, you cannot back. E to activate. I don't have anything though, because I don't have any whatchamacallits. That's pretty dope. Once you find the build site, approach it in place and simply push to place. Yeah, I noticed, but I don't have any right now because my resources do not exist. That's pretty freaking cool. Science class pass. That covers the basics of science. To slime science, check out the new slime science station, Slimepedia. You're loaded with handy information. That's so cool. That's so cool. They've really outdone themselves. But I don't know where any of these things. Where am I gonna find these things? What are these boxes? They got something in them, right? Can I pick them up? No. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a drill, since that seems to be the easiest thing to make at the moment. So I'll just need to rush on over to. That's seriously so cool, man. Heck, bro. Legit. Shit. That's pretty legit. Oh, he's pissed. Better feed him a carrot before he fucks me. Take it. Thank you. Ow! Anyways, give me your plorts. Actually, it looks really cute as it picks. Oh, it's gonna happen. It's gonna. Oh, there it goes. Maybe if I hide behind this rock, you won't see me. Oh, fuck. Ow. Okay, so I was wrong. Anyways, oh. This was a good idea, Shamar. You definitely should have put a slime on. Just go. Just go. And I need more rock slimes. I mean, plorts. You guys are probably hungry. I haven't fed you in a while. And I emptied out all your shit, so. Ow. Yeah, I probably did that. I'll find food for you soon. Just give me a moment. There we go. That was a good idea. I didn't realize I was out of... This lag is seriously killing me, man. My computer apparently can't even swallow this. Fine, I'll just wait on this bench. Waiting complete. Let's get it. Oh, hit it with a dab. Yes. Don't need you guys. Whoa, wow. That surprised me. I thought that was something else. So I guess I'll make the thing. That'll be good. I don't know if you needed this, but here. I'll keep the carrots. Let's see. I think this is where you make the thingies. So I can indeed make this now, which is pretty cool. That means I should have it, basically. And then I'll press T. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna stand back a bit. Then I'll put a novice drill. This gadget is so interesting. This gadget is installed permanently until demolished. Okay. Yeah, Jesus. Bing. I've done it. I am a genius. That's a little bit underwhelming, but hey, slime science, everybody. I'm just gonna end the episode here, because I'm gonna find out a bit more about this, so I have more to do in the next episode. So, I guess this is all my name, bro. Signing the frickety frack out. This is awkward, but let me just god damn it, let me just boom.